Hello, English 100 Friday class. I hope you guys are all doing okay. I want to show you how to do what we are going to call class for the foreseeable future. So here we are in Canvas. Definitely read the announcements. So here's your announcement for going to class in Canvas. So click on the announcements to read them. Of course, you need to submit the rough draft of Essay 2 today. So you go to what's the homework, and it says Essay 2 rough draft, submit here. So there's the spot. And for class, you go to this button called Week 8 Class. And in Week 8 Class, start by opening the first document. And this document is your to-do list. So when you've done everything on this to-do list, you have gone to class for this week. So everything in there is what I want you to do. You can also click on the Zoom link in this announcement for how to talk to me. I have Zoom open at the moment, so you can ask me questions. And that's it for now. Thank you.